Welcome back, Year 2. Our focus today is on direction and turn. You will need to look at some repeated patterns and work out if they are moving in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. You will also need to work out if the shapes are moving a quarter turn, a half turn, or 3/4 turns. Make sure you look at each pattern carefully to work out how it's changing and how it's repeating. There's also a little problem-solving task for you today to do with a man who needs to turn clockwise, anti-clockwise, using different turns. Hope you enjoy the tasks today. Here are some words we will need to become more confident using. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, quarter turn, half turn, 3/4 turn. Let's start by looking at clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you are turning clockwise, you will move in the direction where the numbers are in order. You will go from 12 all the way to 8. Now look at the clock showing anti-clockwise. The numbers go from 12 to 8. You are going in the opposite direction. You are going anti-clockwise. If you are describing a turn, you could use a quarter turn, half turn, 3/4 turn. You could move in a clockwise direction or an anti-clockwise direction. Pause the video and go and practice using these words and directions and positions. You could go and experiment moving clockwise or anti-clockwise. You could give somebody at home instructions of how to move. You could ask them to move a quarter turn, a half turn, 3/4 turns. You could tell them to move in the direction of clockwise or anti-clockwise. You could get a robot and give it some instructions in how to move. Once you've practiced and had a really good go at using these words, come back to find out what we'll be doing next. Use the mathematical talk to explain what's happening in these repeating patterns. Think about the direction the shape has moved each time. Is it clockwise, anti-clockwise? Has the shape turned a quarter turn, half turn, or 3/4 turn? Make sure you use the language to help explain the pattern more accurately. Look at this man. Your task today is to investigate how many turns are needed to make the man face the different directions. Remember, you're going to need to use language like clockwise, anti-clockwise, and give quarter turns. Use this link to start the activity. Have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow.